See that, Tuck? All right, we'll fix it. Don't worry about it.
Wait, do you have another one?
We sure do.
You have another
Right on. Like I was saying, me and my boys, we built a ramp today. So we're just out here trying it out. You landed, buddy. You landed. Oh!
I went onto it.
Nice job.
Oh, you want to pay for that?
So much better with this new ramp. It definitely. Oh, up and over.
Stop.
Craziness, Tuck.
Then I almost annihilated.
Yeah, almost.
I'm gonna be so grateful.
Whoa, missed it that time, buddy. That was a nice try, though. It's all right, buddy. Now you can see with this new ramp, we put a 2-to-1 degree in the slope, so this sucker gets some air. Barely hitting it. Coming back for it, Tuck. Woo, nice twist, buddy.
Nice. I probably beat you at the top. Here.
Whoa, gas. Oh, remember you got to give it gas, buddy. That's all right.
Hey, Dad, can you flip me over, by the way? Dad, can you flip me over?
Sure, buddy. Just give me a second. Turning around.
It ran right into me.
There you go, buddy. Oh.
Sorry. Don't flip me on my tires. Flip me them off. Thanks, friend.
No problem, buddy. Whoa, no gas. Oh.
I gassed it.
You just annihilated a mushroom, dude.
I annihilated one. Flip me over, my buddy. Thanks.
No problem. Missed it that time, bud.
Ow! Dad, can you flip me over? I'm so bad at landing. Thanks. That's a funny one.
Gas. Not now. You got to stay.
I guessed it.
Stay on the gas as you jump the ramp.
I'm so bad at landing.
As you're seeing, Tuck is demonstrating how tough the UDR actually is.
Leave it on my roof.
Oh, missed.
You flip me over.
Every time I come down here, I gotta flip you over. I want to start charging you. Woohoo! Landed it that time. Almost got me. Something's clicking on there, buddy. All right, I think you broke something, buddy. We were just talking about how tough this truck is, and then something just, oh, we broke the rear drive shaft. As you can see, snapped right off. I don't know if you guys can see in there. See that, Tuck? All right, we'll fix it. Don't worry about it.
Wait, do you have another one?
We sure do.
You have
Right on the back, or in downstairs, we got another one. So we'll fix it. Just hang on, okay?
And then I can drive it then?
Then we can drive it. That's right, buddy. All right. Just go put it on the side. Can you unhook it for Daddy? Can you unhook it for Daddy? Undo the batteries and everything?
Yep, that right.
Just, okay, good job, buddy. I'm going to go do a couple more minutes. I see the UDR just went down. Tuck's going to take care of it. And man, is this ramp so much better than that straight piece of wood I had. Took me a while, but we got it. Finally got around to it today on the nice long weekend. And now here we are bashing, and already took one down. The Go For It ramp already took out one of the RCs. First day use, first day casualty. Almost had another one there. I don't know what the heck happened there. Nice. Love this new ramp. All right, we're gonna end it there. I hope you guys enjoyed us out here bashing with our new ramp that we built, the Go For It ramp. And remember, hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching RC Brucey. See you guys next time.